Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can schedule emails in Gmail. So if you want to send emails in a certain or specific time, you can use this feature on Gmail where you can schedule email ahead of time. So first, what you need to do is open your mail and then tap on Compose. Then just enter the recipient, fill in the subject, okay, and enter the body email, okay. I'm going to just write like this, and if needed you can also add attachment or link or everything that you need to do on the emails. And to schedule it, don't click on send in here, but click on this more send options, clicking on this drop down, the arrow down. There will be this schedule send, so click on this. Now you can just set the time where when will the email send, tomorrow morning, this afternoon, Monday morning, or you can also pick a specific date and time. I'm going to pick date and time in here, so I'm going to send it today's, but on these, for example, I'm going to send it on 12 p.m. and you can just tap on schedule send, and just like that the email will be scheduled for the times that you set. You can also click on this view message to check for the message again. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.